Okay, so welcome back. I've tried again. My name is Rurik Nakarud, and I am going to show you how to use Google Wave, just a basic intro for the graduate students that I'm working with, or that I'm in class with actually. Losing it. Okay, so when you make fun of the video, be sure to capture the hat, very importante, and I don't think there's anything in the background you can truly make fun of yet. So we're going to switch over into my web browser, and I'm using Google Chrome. As you can see here, you could go ahead and see their long video, or you can see my short 5-minute one. So go ahead and sign in to Google Wave if you've gotten an invite, and you can use your regular Google ID. So you click on in and you get these 4 panes. You have the navigation pane, the contacts pane. This pane right here displays what you use in the navigation pane, and just like in email, if you click inbox, you get to see your inbox. If you click trash, you get to see your trash. If clicking on spam, and it's just like an email, it offers spam filtering, you can see what's in the spam box. You can also use searches that search all of the things that are in your inbox for the keyword. In this case, my keyword was education or teachers. I think it was teachers. The other places you can look is in folders, and you can organize all of your waves by folder. So I have one for the family, one about using Wave, education in general, and those all will display in this pane right here. Now when you click on a wave in this area, it will then display that wave over in this next pane, and this pane is the wave box. Okay, so we'll wait for that to show up for a little bit. I'm going to go back to the inbox. I am going to minimize my contacts, my navigation, and my inbox, because I want to use all the screen space available to me for the wave itself. Now when you do that, you can in fact get drop down boxes that let you interact with that same information. So for example, I could click on any of these and go to one of those waves. I could also click on contacts, etc., etc. The truly wonderful thing about this, however, is with all this real estate to work on, I can really go ahead and edit things here. So I'm going to close this out. I'm going to start a new wave just to show you the basics of what a wave contains. So a new wave holds a picture of you. You can add other from your contacts list or search for other people to add. Now on my picture, you see here it has this little green circle. That means I am online right now interacting with this wave. If you don't see that green circle, it means that they're not there. So when you're simultaneously working with somebody, that's important to know. Another thing is you get this nice little toolbar here for when you're in a blip, which is what this pretty green box is. It's called a blip because I can talk and edit. So I can say the wave, this title area for the wave. I had waved strange things, and I can list them. List 1 booty. Okay, so I can do it in a document. So I can add a lot of gadgets, video. I can create links both to websites and to other waves. Once I'm done with my typing, I can go ahead and click done there. I can add the participants. It will remind me. I'm not going to do that right now because this is just an example wave. Then I can continue the thread. I could continue, and I could add, this could be the second part of a story, and I'll say yada yada strange things, or strong things in this case. The other thing that Wave does is it does have a language translation, and it has a spell check. Unfortunately, when you misspell strange as strong, it will accept strong as a word. It just doesn't read minds. Not quite there yet, Google. Okay, if I click in here where this little arrow is, I can insert a reply. So I'm replying to the first blip in a second blip. Dude, you need less coffee. Coffee, coffee, coffee. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I have my reply, and people can continue to add to that thread, or they can reply to that thread. Now, if I come back in and I think, wow, man, he's right, I do need less coffee because I just talked too much, I can either add a reply to myself, or I can edit by double-clicking in my first blip. I'm going to edit. I'm not going to call it 1T, 2T, list T. I'm going to call this one 0. So I go ahead and call it 0. And because I'm feeling strange, things needs to be a little bit stranger, I can change the color. So I'll turn it green with a nice yellow background. So there's all sorts of things you can do in that general idea. You can also make it a paragraph heading. Wow. Actually, I should make them all look very cool, like a heading. So, anyways, there's a lot of flexibility in how to use that. And that, my friends, is the basics of a wave. If I've left anything out, I'll be making a future video and talking about it all then, after I put this back into bullet format, because I'm strange like that. Okay, so if you had any questions, you could definitely feel free to email me, or Skype. I am on Skype again. Let me find my little picture. Hello, that's me. If you will wave with me, I will wave with you. So that is Wave. My website is www. Oops, lost camera. wirededucator.org. It'll be on that side of the video on YouTube, and it will be in the blip on the wave that this video is embedded in. So if you want to go to that website, gracias, gracias, gracias. Take care and have fun, and this is supposed to be for the graduate students, so hopefully nobody else will be frustrated by my talking. And cut.